Quiz 1 of 2 on heart dissection. Question 1. The left ventricular wall is much thicker than the right. Why? The left ventricle must push blood through the whole body. Question 2. The aorta feels very elastic when probed. What is the main reason? The aorta receives blood at high pressure and elastic walls keep the pressure. Question 3. If you pour water into the left atrium of a dissected heart, where does it flow next? Blood flows from the left atrium through the mitral valve to the left ventricle. Question 4. Which structure prevents blood flowing back into the atria during ventricular contraction? The tricuspid and bicuspid, mitral close when ventricles contract to stop backflow. Question 5. How can you tell the pulmonary artery from the aorta during dissection? The pulmonary artery has walls that are thinner and less elastic than the aorta. Question 6. What is the main function of the septum in the heart? The septum is a muscular wall that keeps the left, oxygenated, and right, deoxygenated, sides separate. Question 7. Small vessels seen running on the heart surface are usually coronary vessels on the surface feed the heart muscle with oxygen and nutrients. Question 8. Why does piercing the left ventricle feel harder than piercing an atrium? Ventricles have much thicker muscular walls than atria, which are thinner. Question 9. If the pulmonary vein is cut during dissection, what type of blood would leak out? Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs into the left atrium. Question 10. What is the role of the semi-lunar valves at the aorta and pulmonary artery? Semi-lunar valves, aortic and pulmonary, stop backflow into the ventricles. Heart dissection. Quiz 1 of 2. How did you do? Try quiz 2.